Want to win lucrative government contracts but don't know where to start? Here's a complete guide to help you apply successfully and maximize your chances. Government tenders are official invitations by agencies for businesses to supply goods or services. Winning a government contract can be a game changer, providing steady revenue in areas like construction, technology, healthcare, and more. These contracts often last multiple years, making them reliable revenue sources. But what exactly does it take to win one? Let's break it down. Step 1. Finding relevant tenders. Trusted sites like Tenders on Time offer access to both national and international tenders. Use filters to narrow down tenders specific to your industry or region. Here's a tip. Set up alerts on these platforms to receive instant notifications for new opportunities. This way, you'll always be ahead of the competition and can start your application early. Step 2. Crafting a strong bid. Most government tenders require a detailed proposal, financial documents, proof of past experience, and any relevant certifications. To stand out, make sure each document is organized, clearly presented, and tailored to the agency's requirements. Research the project needs and incorporate specifics into your proposal. Also, highlight your unique strengths or innovative approaches that make your business the right choice for the project. Step 3. Avoiding common mistakes. Many tenders get rejected due to simple mistakes like missing deadlines, incomplete paperwork, or not following all the guidelines. To avoid this, double-check everything before submission and consider having someone else review it for accuracy. Make sure each required document is included, as even one missing piece could disqualify you. Being thorough pays off. Step 4. Standing out as a small business. If you're a small business, leverage your unique strengths. Highlight flexibility, fast response times, and local expertise if applicable. Government agencies often value these qualities as they can mean smoother project execution. Additionally, teaming up with other local businesses or forming partnerships can help you meet larger project requirements, making your bid more competitive. Step 5. Building connections. Networking with government officials and attending industry events can help you stay informed on upcoming projects and build valuable relationships. Being known in the field can give you an edge, especially when agencies recognize your name from past bids or networking. It also shows your commitment to understanding their needs and priorities. Applying for government contracts may seem complex, but with the right strategies, you can increase your chances of winning. Stay organized, prepare thoroughly, and keep building those industry connections. For more insider tips on tenders and business growth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit tendersontime.com. We're here to help you succeed.